Good day to all the employers. I am Adeline C. Quintos. I am 42 years old and I'm a Catholic. I was born on December 25, 1982. I am the eldest of the family and I have 8 siblings. I have 4 brothers and 4 sisters. And I have 7 children also, ages 20, 18, 17, 16, 13, 8, and 7 years old. And I am a college undergrad. I take up BS Computer Science. My father is a driver and my mother is a housekeeper. And I have work experience in Singapore as a household domestic worker. And my duties and responsibilities are taking care of the newborn baby, send and pick up the children from school, prepare their things and stuff to bring to school, bring them to playground, tutor, and teach them how to behave and to be respectful to others. Household chores like cooking Chinese food, soup, and cleaning the house, washing clothes, ironing clothes, marketing, gardening, and car washing. I have also work experience taking care of pets. And I have work experience here in the Philippines as a domestic helper, nanny, and my duties and responsibilities are taking care of the newborn baby, send and pick up the children from school, marketing, gardening, car washing, and gardening also. If you will hire me, ma'am and sir, I promise do my job properly and I will follow and obey your rules and regulations. And I promise to work with your family in a long time period. Thank you and God bless.